Guys, when it comes to autobody and painting, there are certain things that can harm yourself and the environment if not dealt with it properly. So in this video, I will tell you guys 7 ways how to save yourself and the environment if you are into the autobody and painting world. My name is Ryson and I am an autobody and paint expert, author and instructor. So guys, it is going to be a very interesting video. So see that you like the video now only. And if you are coming on this channel for the first time, see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. So let's dive into the most important one first, guys. And that is save yourself. Yes, guys. Saving yourself first is very important, guys. Because when you save yourself, then only you can go ahead and save the others. Even in the aeroplane, you guys must have noticed that they tell you to wear the mask first and then help others to wear the mask. So save yourself first, guys. Now how you will save yourself and why you should save yourself? Well guys, when it comes to autobody and painting, you will be dealing with harmful chemicals and dangerous tools. So the first thing that you should protect is your lungs, guys. Now I will insist that you should buy a gas mask even before you start learning autobody and painting. I have put a link of a gas mask in the description below. You can go there and check it out. And if you buy something from that link, then I will get a small percentage on it. Now guys, this mask is like vacuum tight. Air cannot enter through the sides. And they have filters on the mask. So what this mask will do is they will eliminate all harmful vapors which otherwise would go in your lungs. These filters will also eliminate the odor of the paints, thinners, primers. All these things have very strong odor, guys. Even the body fillers that you use release strong odors. But the good part is these odors vanish very fast. But even when they don't last that long, they are harmful and they are not good for your lungs. So for that short while, you will have to wear the mask, guys. It will even protect you from the sanding dust and all the spray which goes about in the air. But once in a while, you will have to change the air filters for the mask to work as it should. So guys, protect your lungs first. So I have already written here gas mask. The next thing is you will be using very dangerous tools. So you should be using gloves, guys, to protect your hands. Even there will be some paint spillage and you will have a tough time cleaning your hands as well. So to avoid that, wear your safety gloves. The next thing is cover your entire body with full covered clothes, long sleeve shirt, long pants, and you can even wear shoes, guys. Now shoes are not that important, but when you are doing some welding work and your feet are very close to that welding job, that is the time you should wear the shoes and protect your legs and your feet. And the fifth one is when you are using a grinder, guys, see that you use your protective eyeglasses because these grinders rotate very fast, guys. And if something falls in your eyes, it can last forever. So avoid doing that. Wear your protective eyeglasses when you are using tools like this. So there are total 5 things that you should wear to protect yourself first. And once you protect yourself, we will move on to the next thing. And the next thing is protect the environment. Yes, guys. Now you should protect your environment. But how will you protect the environment? And the first thing that comes here is don't throw away used products. Yes, guys, you will have leftover thinner, leftover primer, leftover base coat, clear coat. So the thinner you can use to wash the spray guns. What I recommend is always use a cheap thinner to wash the spray guns. And even when you are done cleaning your spray guns, keep that thinner in a separate container. You can use that thinner to wash your mixing cup later on. And then you can keep your mixing cup clean. So like this, you don't throw away anything, guys. Just keep reusing it. Even in the base coat, when you mix the reducer in it, don't throw it away. Keep it in a container because you can reuse it. Sometimes there is a rusted part on your gate or somewhere you have metal parts. You can paint on them and protect those parts as well. But a clear coat, you cannot reuse after a long time because you mix hardener in it. Once you mix hardener in it, it will get hard after some time. So when you're doing a paint job, you should have a plan already in your mind. You should know that some of your things will be left over. So you should already have a plan of if the things are left inside of your spray gun cup, then where you will spray it. And like that, you can use your expensive material for good use, guys. So that was the 6th point. Don't throw away used products. Let's move on to the 7th and the last point, guys. And the last point is
Dispose your waste carefully. Yes, guys. Even if you reuse all the stuff, there will be some waste of yours and it has to be thrown out. Now, what you will do about it? You will have plastic bottles, you will have paint tins, you will have rusted parts. Now, what are you going to do with all these things? Some plastic bottles you can reuse, some paint tins you can reuse, but still there will be some which you will have to throw out. So once in a while, some people come around asking for scrap. They take all type of things. They take plastic bottles, they take rusted parts, metal parts, tins and all that stuff. The only thing they don't take is the broken glasses, I think. So when this type of people come near your house, you immediately know what is to be done. Keep things ready, guys. Segregate everything. Keep plastic bottles separately. Keep rusted metal parts separately. Keep the tin separately. And when these people come, you can give all these things to them. And they will even pay you for that. It will be a small amount, but yes, they will pay you. But you can even give it away for free. And they take it and then they recycle it. So by giving it to them, you are doing a good job and you're saving your environment. And once you save your environment, guys, it will give you a sense of satisfaction. It will give you that good feeling. And when you do good deeds like this, it will take your Autobody and painting skills a long way, guys. And like this, you can save yourself and the environment. So I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you guys found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Rysonsspraybooth signing out. Until we meet again.